Did you know that a and an are indefinite articles used in English to refer to non-specific items, or when mentioning something for the first time, is used before words that begin with a consonant sound, while an is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. For example, we say a cat and a city because the U in university sounds like U, which is a consonant sound. On the other hand, we say an apple and an hour because the H in hour is silent, so it starts with a vowel sound. It's important to listen to how the word sounds following the article to decide whether to use a or an. This helps in making the sentence flow smoothly and is essential for proper grammar in writing and speech. So the next time you're unsure whether to use a or an, just listen to the sound that follows and choose accordingly.